Okay, this is part 2 of today's practice. And what I have done is I like to focus also on the sound of my voice in speaking. And the way that I do that is let me go to, I've made a website for myself for practice so I can find things easily. And it's one of my projects in Hawaiian, and I like to listen to the native speakers because I not only want to speak with good grammar, but I also want to speak with an awareness of or the beautiful voices of the past and learn from them. And so, for instance, today what I'm working with is I followed my intuition and I went to Kauhi, and let's see if it opens up. I guess it doesn't want to open up. Anyways, I'm not going to, oh, there it is. And something inside wanted to do ka holoholo kahakai. And what I did is I right-clicked and I downloaded the file. And I have a folder that I loaded it up to into Kauhi recordings. So I'm just going to show you how I did that. And I'm going to do save. And so I'm going to just hit cancel to just show you how I did that. And then I loaded it up into GarageBand. So let me get out of this. And here it is loaded up in GarageBand. And I've prepared the first clip. And you can see how like there's a little pause in with these lines here that's sort of like a pause. So what I first do in listening is sort of like speak only where the pause is. So I get a sense of the rhythm of her language. And then I try to listen to the quality of the voice. And what I noticed in listening to her, like you can do it just once. This is a little loop button here. But I find it's good to listen to it a couple times. And then you can speak with her. Like you could do it a lot of times. So I'm going to just do this many. And then I had another track. And I'm going to hit the record button and listen at the same time. But if you hit this track and record, it's going to record over this track. So you have to be in a new track to do that. And so I'm going to listen to this. And then after I've listened to it, I'm going to try to record myself speaking it and compare it and observe how it's different or alike.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. 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 E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. And I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to back it up to this one here, just to the last one, and compare my speaking.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. All right, so it's pretty close, but I would say the holoholo part, the last word, is not quite the same. So I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to try to improve on it.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. So I can feel it's not quite right, but I think it might be a little better.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo.
E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. All right, so that is better. So that's one way that I am working. And then what I'm also felt, I get these impressions in my body, like something showing me how to study, because I've been asking my ancestors who spoke Hawaiian to help me, or whatever, just asking the universe, I want to learn, help me. And then I translated it, e hele ana kākou I ka holoholo, e hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. And there is also a book, you can order the book, and I have ordered the book. And so you can look to the English translation they give, and sometimes the book sometimes doesn't exactly match what you're hearing in the spoken Hawaiian, but it'll get you close. And then I have that as a record, and then I could translate that myself. E hele ana kākou I ka holoholo. but I'm going to leave that for now because I want to just focus on the English and just wanted to introduce this way of studying to share with other people. And now I'm going to go to, I'm going to slide this over. I'm going to delete my recordings and I'm going to go to another one to practice. You could practice with me.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
Oh, beautiful. All right. I'm going to do the same thing. So you can see I'm just selecting that little clip. And then I'm going to, I'm scrolling down and it has this little back wheel. And I'm going to do it a couple times. I feel like I need this one a lot.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea. 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 E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
All right, so I tried to hit the recording. It says no input, so I have to go back. So I'm going to try again. And I'm going to listen to it, and then I'm going to try to speak it. Oops, see, there it did. You know, if you don't have it if you don't have it selected right, you're gonna record over it. So I can go to edit and undo replace recording, and I can go back to the beginning, and I need to select the other track in order to be able to record. So I'm going to hit record and then hit play, listen to it, then try to say what she said, and then attempt to translate what she said.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea. 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 E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
E hele kākou I kaha kai ea. I don't think I had that right. So I'm going to listen to myself and see where my mistakes are.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
E hele kākou I kaha kai ea. So I didn't do the hele kākou I ka holoholo kai ea. Let me listen to that again.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
That's right. E hele kākou I ka holoholo kai ea. E hele kākou I ka holoholo kai ea. E hele. Okay, so let me listen to that again. So it takes work. It's not easy. I would not say. For some people it may be, but it's work. You definitely have to work.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea. 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 E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
E hele kākou I ka. E hele kākou I ka holokai ea. Holoholo kai ea. Holoholo. So then if you're having problems with just one part, like, because holoholo kai is new for me, you can just practice that part.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
I ka holoholo kai ea. I ka holoholo kai ea. So let me try it one more time, and then I'm going to try to translate it.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kai ea. And I'm going to listen to myself.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kākai ea.
E hele kākou I ka holoholo kai ea. That's pretty close. And what I notice about her speech quality, I feel like somehow English is like there's a lot, it just seems harder to me. There's a softness to her speaking, almost like you know, how the ocean, when in the ocean, if you live by the ocean comes up and there's this soft of the ocean, there's like a softness or a soft breeze. And I really love that about the quality of her voice. And I have observed when I take the time to do this, and when I practice something and I will recite it without and then I will do a little Hawaiian practice with this and then read the same text again, it really informs and it helps at least the sound of the voice. So that's what I wanted to share today. So I'm going to here's the Zoom, end this now and go on to some more practice without this.